Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to complete identity verification in the PayPal app. So first, open the official PayPal app and sign into your account. And if PayPal requires identity verification, then you should see a notification or prompt asking you to provide additional information. Then open the verification request and review what PayPal is asking for. Depending on your country and account, you may need to provide details such as your legal name, date of birth, address, or an identity document. Now enter your information carefully and make sure it matches your official documents. If PayPal asks you to upload an ID, then use a clear image where all required information is visible, and follow any additional instruction for confirming your identity. Before submitting, review everything carefully for spelling or number errors. After submitting the information, PayPal may take some time to review it. You can check your account later to see whether the verification has been completed or whether PayPal needs additional information. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.